everyone, so I thought I would pop on here today and share my July empties with you. I always have to think what month we're in to know what to tell you. But I've got quite a few empties here, so let's jump right into it. Empty number 1 is the Imperial Leather Foam Burst Blackberry and Wild Fig. I like this as a shower gel, but it's not my absolute favourite as a shower gel. I prefer it to use as a shaving foam. It lasts quite a while. All the scents they do are nice. I buy it in Home Bargains. It's like £1.50. It's good. Speaking of shower gels, let's try and do most of the shower gels first. I used up the Original Source Tingly Mint and Tea Tree. I hadn't used this for ages and it reminded me why I like it. It's really, really nice as like a kind of wake up kind of shower gel, if that makes sense. It's really invigorating, really fresh, love it, would repurchase, and it's like £1, £1 for those of you who are not from the UK. I used up this fake tan. This is Cocoa Brown's extra dark shade. I do really like this. It's probably my favourite fake tan if I'm being honest. It dries really quickly, it's easy to apply. I always buy it in Primark because that seems to be the place where they have it the most. I used up this Garnier makeup remover, which is also my favourite. It is the Soothing 2-in-1 makeup remover. You can buy this in Home Bargains. It's £1.99. It's the best makeup remover I've ever used. I love it. So that's definitely something that will be repurchased at some point. I wouldn't normally show you this, but I just popped it in here because I thought, like, why not? This is my favourite razor. It's the Venus Snap ones. I think the shape of them is really good. They're good for travel, but I use them at home as well. And this one, the razor's gone blunt, so I need to get another one. I have already got another one in my bathroom, but I do need to repurchase them more. Savers is a good place to buy them if you're interested. Something I won't be repurchasing again is this. This is the Roses candle from Aldi. It's basically their answer to Diptyque's candles. It's not very good. It doesn't smell at all when you burn it, so I wouldn't bother. I used up a whole thing of Febreze. I spray Febreze on my bedding a lot and on my sofas just because I like to make things smell fresh, so yeah, that's why that's there. I used up this deodorant. This is the Garnier Minerals Ultra Dry Deodorant. I really like this deodorant. I am a big Mitchum deodorant fan, but unfortunately I've had to stop using Mitchum because it stopped working on me. So I'm having a break and using this, and then I'll go back to Mitchum because Mitchum is more effective than this. But for some weird reason it just ceased to work. Then I've got a shampoo here. This is the Neutrogena Tea Gel Shampoo. I've got a really dodgy flaky scalp and this works a treat, but it's not a very pleasurable product and it doesn't smell very nice either. A product that does smell nice is this. It's the Body Shop English Dawn Gardenia Shower Gel. Why was I doing that? What was up with my pinky? Really nice shower gel. I don't like it as much as I like the, is it Italian Summer Fig? I really like that one from the Body Shop. This one's fine, but I prefer the other one. A conditioner I used up is this one. It's the TG Headshot Reconstructive Intense Conditioner. I really, really like this, but after you used it a few times, it's a very thick conditioner and this packaging is not meant for a conditioner like that. Like, the hole is really small and it doesn't come out very easily. It was irritating, and for that reason I wouldn't repurchase it because it annoyed me. I've got an empty bubble bath here as well. This is from Imperial Leather, the Peppermint and Eucalyptus. I probably just bought this because they didn't have my favourite one, which is the purple one. I didn't mind it, it was fine. I've got a empty of my go-to body lotion for summer, which is Dove's Summer Glow. Love this. Tesco's, just FYI, I always have it on offer for like £3 for this big one. Sorry if you can hear my phone. Yeah, this, I get it in the medium to dark skin, and after I fake tanned, I just top up with this repeatedly. Awesome, really, really, really like it. It doesn't smell like fake tan either, it's lovely. Last body product I've got here is this little body butter from the Body Shop. It's the Mango one. I don't know why I used a mini. Maybe I just found it and was using it. I used that up. And then I've got a few makeup empties. I've got an empty of my beloved L'Oreal Paradise mascara. I love this mascara. It's the mascara I've got on now. It's the mascara that I use most days. I use either this or I love the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. But I like this a lot. And they were on offer recently, I think, for like £9 and there was 3 for 2. So I bought loads of them. So I've got a stash. but love that mascara, it's beautiful. Doesn't smudge either. Something I'm very sad that I used up is my Urban Decay Naked Concealer. I love this concealer. It's my favourite concealer I've ever used. Beautiful for under eyes, great for blemishes, just works an absolute treat. I wear it in the shade medium light. The colour matches perfect. I need to repurchase it, but it's like 19 quid, so I'm trying to use up other ones I've got before I repurchase it, but I love it. It's really, really good. And then let me show you one more makeup thing. I'm just going to put down Empties are a pain. This lip liner, sorry, I forgot what I was going to say, is the number 7 nude lip liner. I use so many of these. I always have backups of them. It's my favourite. I would swatch it for you, but I can't because it's all gone, but I use it up. I use it every day when I do my makeup, and I always have one in my bag. It goes with any lipstick. It's exactly the colour of my lips. I like the texture of it. It's just amazing. And then I also used up a little sample of this perfume, which is the Erin Hibiscus Palm perfume. I had it in my bag and I just kind of touched up throughout the day. I love this. Would be interested in having the full size of this because it's really, really nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you have used up this month, because I love hearing what you used up, and it encourages me to use things up as well a little bit more. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys.